Hello guys, welcome to my channel Combined Study Official. In this video, I am announcing that I am started online learning class group where you can gain your knowledge regarding programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, JavaScript,
and DSA with any relevant programming language, and also learn HTML, CSS, and SQL. Here you can have the benefits of practicing codings for online coding tests for interviews and give mock tests every Sunday and mock interviews. For joining our online class group, DM us on this WhatsApp number 907-894-5352 or fill the form given in the description for joining our online class. If you want to know the fee structure for it, then you can directly contact with us by WhatsApp. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Bye-bye. Guys, hurry up, join now. Classes started from 1st April.